So today we're going to learn about pairWise challenge. In this challenge, we are asking to find the summation total of indices, and these indices are a pair, right? So that they are pair, and the pairs is from the element, and they are summations. The element summation is equivalent to the target, which is 20 right here. So let's look at the sample, which is 7 plus 13 is equal to 20, and 20 is the target, and we are trying to get the summations of their indices, which is basically 0 plus 3, right? And we got 3 right here. And same for a different element and value, 9 plus 11, and we got 20. And we get the indices summations, which is 1 plus 2 and 3. So the total summation is 6. So now you will notice that we cannot reuse same number from the value, the array, and they have to be unique indices, right? So it can be duplicated number as long as they make the target value right here, but they cannot be the same indices. Okay, the indices number. So that's the constraint, and we can implement this on the JavaScript right here. So we're going to use array built-in called reduce function here. It's a lot simpler, I think. So let's use this pass function, and in this function we will take accumulator, current element, index, and array. So this array will be same array but different value that we're trying to retrieve, right? So we will return accumulator, right? So we're going to return accumulator, and we will start it from, or not here, right here, right? Yeah, and we will start from 0 index right here, right? So in default it started from 1, so we will just initialize it into 0. All right, and then we're going to have another for loop right here. So it looked like nested for loop right here situation. So var second index, and we'll start it from index plus 1. So the next index right here. Okay, so second index, array.length, and then second index plus plus. All right, beautiful. So now we're going to use if, and we're going to compare the current plus array, and then second index with the target or the argument. Okay, so let's make sure that everything is what we want. Oh shoot. Okay, there you go, second index. Okay, and we can say right here we can return accumulator plus index plus second index. All right, and just to make sure we return the right value, we will use console.log here, and yes, it is. So the total index value, that's what we got right here. Okay, so this return thingy right here, it will return it will it will find it will calculate basically the summations of index and store it into accumulator by returning it to the for loop right here, and get the next current, which is 4. Right? So in this case, 4 and 3 is the right pair, so it will be undefined, so we will skip it, and it will going to the next value, which is 2, right? And which is why we don't go to the next 4, you just skip it and go to the next one 2. So yeah, and compare with the next value index plus 1, so which will start from undefined from here and then go to the next value right here. Okay, so it basically act like continue, if you know that keyword, right? So continue, it just go to right here. So if you kind of familiar with the C, then it kind of act like go to. Okay, so it doesn't jump out right here, it just go to right here. Let's go back to right here, right? So and then get the next current, the valid current, right? We're not gonna try to traverse and compare with the undefined. It's not like that. It's just gonna skip that value. So you will be wondering, what do you mean by undefined? Well, we have two, the one that we already used the number, so we have to right here. We can save ourselves with index, so we found the right value there, so which is why we have to clean ourselves basically. Second index, so okay, second index, and that way we clean ourselves and say, hey, don't go and use that value anymore, just go to the next one. It's undefined, so we can't use it. And there you go, control and enter, and that's the solutions.